So there are a lot of different options to learning about cybersecurity, so much so that it can be overwhelming at times, right? But for me, I think it's important to understand your own learning style and then kind of do what works for you. At least that's what I did. And so for me, my path was going through sort of formal education, at the same time pursuing certifications, while also focusing again on getting that hands-on experience. So I worked full-time the entire time I was in school, which was a little bit insane. But I did that intentionally because I wanted to not only learn the fundamentals, but also apply it. And again, through like projects and things like that. And so I think having that balance was very important for me. But I feel like, again, doing what works for you, whether it's again, formal education, informal education. I'm a huge believer in the self-taught route, because I feel like the best, hackers and cybersecurity professionals oftentimes are not learning those things from a book. They're learning it through actually going out and doing things. And so being able to go and do is super important. And so, setting up labs, like doing all of that to really learn as much as you can about the industry also helps. I think the biggest point that I'll close with, though, is to get exposure to as many different areas of cybersecurity as possible. I think a lot of people fail to recognize that cybersecurity is, there's, dozens of domains, right? Whether it's, pen testing, application security, training and awareness, third-party risk management, incident response. Like, I could rattle off so many domains. And I think that people who aren't as familiar with the industry don't realize the breadth. And so I always say, do what you can to also get exposure to as many of those areas as possible.